Hello, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make a very quick and simple capsicum sabzi. It is a dish which is very quick to make and can be made with simple ingredients which are available always at home. It is an ideal dish to be made after you come back from work and do not want to make anything elaborate. It can be eaten easily with any of the Indian breads or rice, or even on its own. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Wash potato and put a slit on one side. Put it in the microwave and cook for 3 minutes. Then turn it over and cook for further 3 minutes. At the end, you should have the results of the potato looking like this. Peel the potato and chop it into cubes. Wash the other vegetables and chop them as shown. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. When it splutters, add the ginger, green chili and curry leaves. Mix well and saute for a minute. Then add the chopped spring onions. Add salt and saute for a couple of minutes. Then add the capsicum. Mix well and cook covered with intermittent checking and stirring till the capsicum gets cooked but still maintains its crunchiness. Then add the chopped potatoes. Mix well and saute for a couple of minutes and turn off the flame. Add half of the coriander leaves. Mix it well and transfer to serving container. Garnish with further coriander leaves and serve with chapati, rice or any other Indian bread. I've served it with bajra ki roti and Gujarati urad dal and rye roasted papad.